Let's follow the train around the layout. It seems like we have a derailment, because we only have one ore car. Let's go investigate what happened. Probably these lousy Accumate couplers. Junk. Yeah, I would say it was coupler failure. Because all the cars are on the track. These factory Accumates, or McHenrys, or whatever Athern's using, and the ones Atlas put on from the factory are just total rubbish. So I'll have to get me some KD58's to put on here. So much for the nice run by. Junk. See if we can make a nice hitch. Junk. Won't even couple. That did that time. That's why you don't use the factory couplers, because they're junk. I see I still got them on the GP35 also. Guess we'll have to cancel those. Alright, so through the yard. I was hoping to get it from across the room. It looks better. GP35's.